Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to change your Gmail profile picture. You can see it here, and if you get an email from someone or you send one, they also see this email, so make sure you change it as it is very professional and useful. First off, you have to press the top right button after you are logged into your Gmail. Then you press change your Gmail Google settings. Then you have to press personal information, and here you can see all your Google account settings. You can change everything here, but we are going to change the picture. So you basically press on here underneath general information, and then once you pressed it, you see it here, and you press add profile picture. You can basically select ones that are recommended to you, or you can put in a custom photo you made yourself. Let's upload my logo here. So this is basically it. It can take up to 2 days before it is actually functioning, but most of the times it should be very quickly. But sometimes you can still see your old logo here. It's not a big deal, you just have to wait till it updates. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you have a nice day, and if this helped, please leave a like.